Good morning, everyone. You are welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to be looking at word problems on open sentence. Word problems on open sentence. Now, let's proceed. Yes, a certain number multiplied by 4 gives 32. What is that number? This is an example of word problems on open sentence. A certain number multiplied by 4 gives 32. We don't know the number that is multiplied by what? By 4. Am I communicating? Now, you say, let's go to the solution. Let the number be t. Let the number be t. Let the number be t. That is, t times 4 is equals to 32. T times 4 is equals to 32. That is the first line of the question. Now, you now say 4t is equals to 32. When you multiply 4 by t, it gives you 32. Now, the next step is to divide both sides by 4. 40 divided by 4 is equals to 32 divided by 4. When you divide, 4 will cancel 4. And how many 4 can you get to 32? That is 8. So, t is equals to 8. So, the number is 8. So, how do we know whether we are correct? Just say 4 times 8. That will give us what? 32. That is 32. Is that clear, everybody? Now, let's proceed to another example. Now, here, let's quickly read the question. When Funke took 4 yams she cooked for her friends, she had 24 yams left. How many yams did she have originally? This is another example of word problems and open sentence. So, you now say, let the total number of yams be y. Let the total numbers of yam be y. That is the solution. Now, we have let the total number of yams be y. We have y minus 4 is equals to 24. Are you getting that? So, just say, because we don't know the actual numbers of yams she has rather. Am I communicating? So, we have y is equals to 24 plus 4. You had 4 to both sides. So, y is equals to 28. So, the total number of yams she has originally was 28. Am I communicating? Now, to know if you are wrong or right, just say 28 minus 4. So, when you say 28 minus 4, we get what? We get 24. So, that is, you are correct. Am I communicating? Now, let's proceed. Yes, this is another problem on the board. But this type of problem is a proportion. It's a proportion. Look at it. Let's read it together. A man can work for 5 hours each day before he becomes completely tired. He cuts 25 square meters of grass in 1 hour. What area of that grass can he finish in 3 days? So this is an example of a proportional word problem on open sentence. Am I communicating? Now, for us to solve this, you have to read and understand the question. Let's go to the solution. We have numbers of hours per day is equals to 5. We got this from the question because a man can work for 5 hours each day. Am I communicating? Now, in 1 hour, in one hour is equals to 25 meters of grass. So he can cut 25 meters of grass in 1 hour. Now, total meters of grass he can cut in 1 day. That is 25 times 5. Am I communicating? So when you say 25 times 5, that will give us 125. It means this man can cut 125 meters of grass in 1 day. Now, in 3 days now, we have 125 times 3. So we have 375. Therefore, the man can cut 375 meters of grasses in 1 day. In 3 days, rather. That is the solution to the question, in 3 days. Am I communicating? That is the solution to the problem. Hope that is clear. Now, it is time for class exercise. Here, there are 3 exercises which you are going to solve for me. So let's read the questions. When a number is multiplied by 8, the result is 40. When a number is multiplied by 8, the result is 40. What is that number? That is number 1. Number 2, there are 240 pupils altogether in Peter's school. 3/4 of them are girls. How many boys are there in Peter's school? So this is another example, another classwork rather. That's another classwork. When a number is double, the result is 24. What is that number? So you are going to solve this for me. Bye bye. Bye bye.